Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get tally marks in MM2. Tally marks are a cool feature in Murder Mystery 2 that showcase your skill and dedication with specific knives. They visually represent your kill count, adding a unique flair to your favorite weapons. To earn your first tally mark, you'll need to achieve 1,000 kills with a single knife. It's a clear indicator of your mastery and commitment to the game. To earn a tally mark, the core requirement is straightforward. Accumulate 1,000 kills with a particular knife. Once you hit that milestone, a tally mark will appear on your weapon. If you continue to use that same knife and achieve another 1,000 kills, a second tally mark will be added, and so on. This consistent requirement ensures that each mark genuinely reflects your extensive use of that specific weapon. Tracking your progress towards tally marks is quite simple within Murder Mystery 2. You can easily view the kill count for each of your knives directly in your inventory. Just select the knife, and its statistics, including your total kills with it, will be displayed. The game automatically updates and applies the tally marks to your weapon once you reach the 1,000 kill threshold, so you don't need to do anything extra. To efficiently earn tally marks, focus on consistently using one or two preferred knives. Playing as the murderer offers the most direct path to accumulating kills, so try to secure that role often. Practice your throwing accuracy and timing to ensure you land those critical hits. Remember, each kill contributes to your goal, so stay persistent and enjoy the process of mastering your chosen weapons in Murder Mystery 2.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.